Welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on this arbitrage that is trending online. One of my subscribers asked me to do a video to show him or her if actually or if truly this high street update is actually legit. So in this video we are going to see it together. I'm going to show you how you can actually test out this website to check if it is a scam website or a, a legit website. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share my video so that it also get to other people so that you'll be able to save some people, okay, from these scammers. If you come to this website, what do you notice? You notice that the price of one high is 0.7197 USDT. But before I proceed, high is actually a real token that has been listed on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and many more. It's also listed on centralized exchanges like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, K.io, Bitget, and many more. It's actually a legit coin, but the black side of it is that scammer actually impersonate this kind of coin like this and create a website that they will use to scam you. Before I proceed, let me sound this to you. There is no coin website that will promise to sell you any coin at a low rate. They are not even selling coin, rather you buy from either decentralized exchange or centralized exchange. You can never buy a coin from their website. So that's what you need to take note. Looking at this arbitrage, I know a lot of you might have come across videos on YouTube made by YouTubers telling you that you can make money from this kind of arbitrage, and they have done some live videos, and it based on the live videos and the positive comments you have been saying, it will inspire you to go and do similar things like this. But once you try it out, you discover that it's actually a scam. But I'm making this video now to actually show you guys how you can actually boycott all these scammers and don't do it. What they actually do is they will form a group of scammers. They are actually a group of scammer. They own a website like this, and they own a YouTube channel, and each of them actually create either 3 or 2 channel that they will use to comment on the actual when they make video to show you how they can make money from it. So if you as an innocent person, if you try it out, once your money is into their wallet, you can never get it back. So in this video I'm going to show you those simple things you need to look out for in order to avoid these scammers. So first of all, can see the price of high. Let me say you want to buy 10 USDT. Let's click on buy. Can you see what they are telling you? They are saying you don't have enough USDT for this transaction. The minimum swap amount is 100 USDT. So let's say 100. So if I click on 100 now, if I type in 100 USDT, the amount that I want to buy, and I click on buy high, it will take me to my trust wallet. Once it takes me to my trust wallet, let me insert the password. If I insert the password, it's showing me the address that I'm going to send my USDT to. And if I have at least 100 or more than 100 USDT here, if I click on next, it's going to show me confirm. Once I confirm, the money is gone, and you wait till thy kingdom come, you never see your money. So what are the things you need to look out for when trying to check out if this website is actually legit or it's a scam? So first of all, let's go to coinmarket.com. I'm on CoinMarketCap right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to navigate to this point you are seeing search bar here. If I click on search bar here, I'm going to type in the name of the coin. Okay, I've already searched the coin, but if I didn't show you, I would have typed in the name. But let me just click here for the. I don't want this video to actually get long. Okay, so it's loading up. It's loading up. So you wait for it to load up. Okay, done. Then after it loads up like this, you scroll down to where you see website. you click on website. Once you click on website, it's going to pop up the domain name of the website. So you can see the main website here. So checking the domain name of the website is actually www.highstreet.market. So then if you go to check on the fake one, let me show you the fake one. See, the fake one is highstreet.org. So this is actually the fake one. It's highstreet.org. So that's another way to check the website, the domain name. Please take note of this website name. It's very important. Take note of the domain name. It's very important. If it is not as the same as the one on CoinMarketCap, please avoid it. I sound this again. There is no coin website that will promise to sell you. They will not even sell you any coin. Rather, you properly go and buy it on decentralized exchange or centralized exchange. So another way you can actually check if this website is actually legit is by copying the domain of the website like this. I copy the domain of the website and I'm going to move to trustpilot.com. Once you type in Trustpilot like this, you click on this first one. Once you click on the first one, what you are going to do is you see this search company or categories, you paste in the domain name of the website that you have copied. So it's going to pop up show results. Click on show results and come down. The first one actually says I have bought high tokens severally from this website for the purpose of doing arbitrage with it, and it's always been swift and seamless. I recommend avoid this person, is actually a scam, is one of them. So if you come down, you see another person, this website should be taken off the internet. I bought token for $100 and it went straight to the very high street wallet address of the website. Zero high street token landed in my high street wallet. Worst of all, the website doesn't have a customer support option. Scam website, 100% scam. Avoid this first person you are seeing here. It's actually come to actually testify because the person might be actually one of the scammers there. So you come down to the second person, you can see this is a scam website. The official high street website is this high street dot market. Have you guys seen what I actually showed you guys earlier before I log into this Trustpilot? The official website is highstreet.market, while the other one is highstreet.org. And this person says they will scam you and take your money. Actually, they will scam you and take your money because that is not the official website. There's no website, there's no coin website, a project website that will promise to sell you a coin at a very low rate. What is the reason of them listing in a decentralized exchange or centralized exchange? You go there to buy it. But if you want to buy from website as they claim to you, you are going to waste your time and you will not make profit. Your money will be gone. So you can see this another scammer here. He said, I followed the step outlined by the tutorial I watched on YouTube about high street arbitrage and everything checked out fine. Now it's a lie. It's a lie. It's a very big lie. All you just need to do is check the domain name of the website. If you check on CoinMarketCap, you will see that the real domain name of that the coin website is highstreet.market, while the other one is highstreet.org. So this is what you need to take note of, my brother. If you are doubting me, just go and try it out. Once you try it out, you drop it on the comment section and tell me if you have made profit or if you have gotten your coin back. So I'm just making this video for the sake of my subscribers and for the sake of some good and innocent people out there that don't want to risk their money. Some of you are even starting up, some of you are even starting with your small capital to grow it, and you wouldn't want to vanish it just like that. So be careful and be aware of all these small tricks before you jump into any arbitrage. So if you enjoyed the video and you have gotten value from the video, please do well to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks.